The topic which I am going to explain today is how to restrict the cost consumption by using Azure Automation Budget and policies. So this can be achieved in multiple ways. The logic which I will be putting across is an example where you can actually understand the concept, and after that you can actually go ahead and develop your own logic and your own policies. So this is one example which a use case from a use case which I have developed. So first thing I would be doing is setting up a budget, say $200. And after that, or once the threshold reaches, I needed to trigger a run book, which is a PowerShell script, which actually set a tag for subscription, says cost exceeded yes. Once I have done that, I will set a policy says if subscription has the tag cost exceeded yes, I needed to deny creating any further resources. This is the logic I am putting across. Maybe you can put any other logic, like once the threshold exceeds, maybe delete the resource or create any other resource, anything you can actually put across. Okay. Now, once I have done this, my logic is fine, but in every month I have to actually reset the tag value as well, because this is a monthly process I am doing this budget restriction. So once the month completed, in every first day of the month, I needed to actually reset the tag. So these are the three things I needed to be done to achieve the goal. Now I will go to the Azure portal and show how the things will work. So this is my subscription. If you can see, my currently my tag is cost exceeded no. So I will be creating under cost management a budget. So budget says already I have created that. So I will explain what I have done here. I have put across a name and I have put a threshold, say 200. And in the alert session, maybe you can put your email or something in a group of mails or something you can actually put there. But here what I am doing is I am putting an action group here. So I have in that action group I have actually called an automation account. So if you can see here, you can actually create new action group. In that action group you can actually say which is the resource group, um, and put a name, and in the action you can actually say which is my action uh, run book. So here my run book is this one in the subscription. This is my run book budget. So I have already created this. Like this, actually you can actually create action groups. So yeah, I have put action groups, uh, and that action group will call. So basically what it will do, once the threshold will exceeded, it will call this action group, which is nothing but an automation run book, which is a PowerShell. And what I have put it in the PowerShell. In the PowerShell, I have actually created a run book says budget. So here I have put a logic says set cost exceeded equal to yes. So when the threshold exceeds, the cost exceeded will become yes. So for the testing purpose, what I will do, let's suppose the cost got exceeded and threshold gets, and I am manually starting this. This will actually start once the cost exceeded, when the threshold exceeded, because I have put this as a action group. This will execute. Let it execute. So once it execute, the tag value will be changing. I have already put a policy as well. In that policy, I have defined whenever I am creating something, I needed to evaluate whether the subscription tag is cost exceeded is yes. If yes, deny everything. Anything and everything will be denied, which I am doing. So that's it. Also, what I have done is I have put a runbook logic for resetting this in each month, because we need to do this process in each month. So in order to reset this, reset tag runbook I have created, and I will be running, I have linked it to a schedule. So if you can see, the logic which I have put is portal is set the tag is equal to no. This is the logic which I have put in the every now I needed to run this run book every month. So what I can do, I can actually go here and link to a schedule. Already I have linked it, I have created, and should link something name and start in maybe every month, first of every month, and time zone you can provide recurring in every month. You can create something like this every first of the month. You can create a logic like this, and expiration if you want you can actually set like this. You can actually create. Now I will get an error because my threshold, so my things are working because my threshold got exceeded, and I have the subscription tag got changed because I have tested that. Now it is yes, that is the reason I will not be able to create anything. So I already shown a demo. If let's suppose I am trying to create a virtual machine, or sorry, a virtual network, then also I won't be able to create anything. If I'm going here, if I will not go through the validation because by policy, if you can see, resource budget was disallowed by policy. So this is the and policy name. This is my policy name which I have created. So this is how you will be restricting the cost consumption. As I said, anything you can do instead of simply restricting the future resource creation, you can actually delete current resources or delete or stop the current virtual machines which are running. Anything you can do. This is one logic which I have put in order for you to understand the concept, how you can combiningly use the Azure policy, budget, and automation runbooks to achieve the desired result. Thank you.